they wanted to have a 6-pack or like a pack, like a 1-pack, 2-pack, 3-pack, 4-pack, 5-pack, 6-pack. Okay.
And what are those? So tell me what those packs look like.
So like they're like squares. So like on their chest, like they're like white. So like when you get strong enough, you have these like squares like coming out of your body like big. Just be quiet about that. Just be quiet about
So how do you get
No.
the 6-pack? Do you guys know how to get a 6-pack?
Yes, you work out a lot. You work out. You have to work out for 10 years.
For 1,000 years, maybe. To get muscles ones. And this. And this. And this. Don't be funny about this.
Okay.
You did it!
Yes.
Over the box. Over. Your foot.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh.